Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So basically what I found on the multi-time frame analysis, and especially if we watch like an 8-hour time frame and a daily time frame, we can see that on the 8-hour time frame we have a potential completion of this ABC downside correction, and that market is heading towards the potentially some upper levels. We have the weekly high at 1.3900 and 1.3950 mark. The daily time frame, we got a indecision bar yesterday, 2 days ago, and then yesterday we had a breakout. We basically broke multi-day high and close on the high, which is a very good sign that buyers stepped in and that we might see the higher prices. So this pullback, you can also see on the 2-hour time frame, there was like a bull flag, a classic retracement here. So I expect in the next period higher prices and the market to clear 1.3700 mark, and later to open the door for 1.3950, or maybe even to trade higher in the next period towards the next major level at 1.4560. But this is like much bigger, watching from the bigger scale. So watch definitely for buying opportunities, short-term speaking, on the pullbacks on the USD versus Canadian dollar. If we speak about the gold market, it seems like the gold market, we cannot find the buyers here, and market is just sideways and having a very hard time to find bids here, which will basically mean that from my perspective we can have even maybe a outside week this week. So the next level to watch on the gold is a 1767. That is the next swing low that we have here, and then we have a cluster around 1745 and 1740. So far market is still trading in the consolidation overall, but if we check the perspective, that yesterday's close was on the low, and that's a sign that sellers are in control, and that we might see the further downside price. So watch for the selling opportunities on the gold. If we speak about crude oil, this market is trading below the previous day low, and it seems like this three-day rally now the sellers are joining again. This market is in a downside trend. Weekly also close on the low. So this market have still selling pressure on the higher time frame, so I will not be surprised if we can see 66.35 or even 63 on the test, which will basically mean also help USD CAD to also rise in the price. And Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market traded to the downside, and now the previous swing high is acting like support, 17,300 mark. Market reacted. 8-hour time frame just pulled back here, but so far I see this like a neutral day so far. There is not so much interest today on the Bitcoin. Market is trading relatively sideways. In case if the market can trade below 17,000 mark, it may open the door for 16,700 mark to be on the test. So we will see if this level can hold or not. If this level can hold, then the market can also retrace towards 17,600 mark. And that will be all for this update and for this week. I hope that you enjoy. Trade safe, have a good weekend, and speak to you for Monday next week.